Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol UBER, Uber. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. As we wrap up the week here, it was quite the eventful day for Uber. I mean, you look down here at the volume, and not like all-time records, but definitely above average volume on the day. And looking at the chart when I pulled it up, a very interesting pattern going forward, and one of my favorite patterns. I do want to make a quick disclosure here in case maybe you're new to charts. Just because there may be a bullish pattern does not mean that for sure the price is going up. Just because there's a bearish pattern doesn't mean that for sure the price is going down. So I don't want you to go like mortgage your house and get your kids' college tuition money because there's a bullish pattern taking place, which there is. So the pattern here that's taking place is what I would call, and what would be referred to as a falling wedge. Now, you would think falling means a bearish pattern, but actually a rising wedge is the bearish pattern. A falling wedge is the bullish one, and that's what we have right here. And it presents a very, like I said, interesting dynamic going forward. Clearly some downwards pressure, so it's not unreasonable to think that this, final 30 minutes here continues the price back downwards. But that brings about the very valid question of, okay, yeah, that means that the price could come down to this trend line. So you're looking at an area where, if history holds up and this trend line holds true, then if the price does come down to this area, could it get a bounce back upwards? And from that could be a very nice trading perspective. So right here is going to be definitely that very important level of support going forward. Now, if the price breaks down below that trend line, at that point, I'd say that the price is headed at least down to 27.50, if not lower than that. But you don't want to get too far ahead of yourselves because, as of right now, the price is still within the overall pattern. If the price does work its way back upwards, then yeah, overarching area to keep an eye on is going to be not only that trend line, but also that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, and that's currently up there right around 28.75, give or take. But yeah, overall, falling wedge pattern, definitely very interesting. I know I'll be keeping an eye on it next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.